In many countries of the world, particularly countries like Nepal, which are relatively poor, development is tough. Development for infrastructure is tough, and those countries are also subject to many natural hazards, earthquakes, floods, landslides. So we've developed a tool which is a first pass tool for planners who can then use it as a guide for where development ought to take place within those countries.
So MiMapper is the first tool that does the whole of a country. So we don't know of any other hazard map that is for the whole of one country, and specifically for Nepal, where hazards are such as earthquakes and landslides and flooding are huge and really regular as well, like it's sort of part of their everyday life.
The idea is that MiMapper will be used by planners as a first pass tool. So if they're thinking of doing development in a particular part of Nepal, you could go straight to this tool and you could zoom in on the area of interest, and within a few minutes you could get an answer to the question of how likely that area is to be subject to earthquakes or to floods or to landslides.
As part of the MiMapper tool development, we went and spent some time in Nepal with stakeholders, people from the government, people from the university, engineering companies and things. And we went and did a workshop out in Nepal. We taught them how to use the tool. We looked at some case studies of places in Nepal, so places that had had floods or earthquakes or landslides quite recently that they may well have been involved in. And then we got them to sort of interact with the tool and see how well it worked. And then they gave us feedback, so what they really liked, what they thought could be improved, and we came back from Nepal and took all that feedback and developed the MiMapper tool further so it really works for the people that will need it.